100. Boggy using the ball. Sabado for 3, no good. Pass nakuha ni Maccabitas, 2 points. Lucina. Still by Peñosa to Sabado. To Maccabitas. Jersey number 5 to Sabado. Walang patakan. Rebound by Vidania. Jersey number 11. To Ormita. Jersey number 24. It's a travel line violation. Bagi. Jersey number 49. Pinasa sa kawalan. Out of bounds. Andaya to Olpindo. Olpindo dribbling the ball. Pass to Vidania. Vidania is 2 points. Peñosa to Bagi. To Peñosa. Tumira ng 3 points. Peñosa. Olpindo. Still by Peñosa. To Bagi. Libre. It's 2 points. Olpindo dribbling the ball. Pass to Andaya, jersey number 3. To Ormita, jersey number 24, block. Rebound by Bagi. Foul committed by jersey number 3, Andaya. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Peñosa. Still back to Olpindo. Olpindo nagmamadali. Foul committed by jersey number 49, Bagi. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. First shot, pasok. Second shot, pasok. 2 for 2. Bagi dribbling the ball. Pass to Peñosa. Foul committed by jersey number 2, Olpindo. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Peñosa to Bagi. 15 to shoot. Bagi. Pinasa sa loob. Still by Vidania. To Olpindo. Olpindo. Easy 2 points. Official score, 7-6. 1 point lead. Sector 5. Sabado for 3 points. Sabado. Still by Bagi. To Maccabitas, jersey number 5. Nakuha ni Olpindo. 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 may kasama pa ang basket. Committed by jersey number 13. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Time left, 7 minutes, 9 seconds. First quarter. Bonus shot, wala. Baggy. Pass to Sabado. To Noto. Noto. 15 to shoot. Still by ang daya nakuha ni Olpindo. Olpindo block. Out of bounds, save ball. Andaya. This is 2 points. Deadlock at 10. Baggy. Pass to Sabado. Sabado, no good. Rebound by Baggy. Baggy, 2 points. Olpindo. 15 to 2. Still by Sabado. Foul committed by Olpindo. That's your second personal foul, third team foul.
Shoot! Ito naman. No! No!
14 shot clock. Sabado. Tumira din ng press. Wala. Nakuha ni Bidanya. Bidanya nagmamadali. Wala. Rebound by Macabida. To Noto. Noto. Dumiretso. Noto. Wala. Rebound by Lucina. To Bidanya. Tondaya. Tormita. Nabitawan. Pass to Peñosa. Still by Olpindo. Tondaya. 15 to shoot. Ormita. For 2. Wala. Rebound by Baggy. Pass to Sakato. Sakato. Dumiretso. Pass to Sakato. Wakapun may kasama pa ang basket. Substitute to track. Vidanya, that's your first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Time left, 5 minutes and 21 seconds. First quarter. Bonus shot. Wala. Rebound by Vidanya. To Andaya. To Vidanya. Vidanya. Who's foul red? Jersey number 14. Noto. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Lucina. For 2. Wala. Rebound by Macabidas. To Baggy. To Peñosa. Dumiretso. To Sabado. Using the left. Wala. Sino kayong bola? Sector 2 ball. Last 5 minutes.
Kilalog pa mo!
Guys, pamar!
15 to shoot. Lucina. Kuha ng Macabitas. Sabado. Muntikan na. Pass to Macabitas. Macabitas. Jumper wala. Rebound by Vidanya to Andaya na bitawan. Out of bounds. Substitute. Ormita out. Sabado in. Baggy.
Sino lagi sabi ko?
Kasi kwan. Anak baby.
15 to shoot. Penyok sa 3 points. Sabado. Pass to jersey number 3, Andaya. To Sabado. Tumartas. Tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by Andaya. 2 points. Peñosa using the glass. Backball, may kasama pang basket. Committed by Vidania. That's your second personal foul. Warning, jersey number 11. Bonus shot, pasok. Andaya. To Sabado. No good. Rebounded by Vidania. Foul committed by jersey number 5, Macabitas. That's your first personal foul, warning for penalty. Sabado, easy 2 points. Baggy. 15 to shoot. Peñosa. 10 to shoot. Noto. For 2. No good. Rebound by Lucina. Andaya. Andaya. Pass to Martos. To Vidania. For 3. No good. Nakuha ulit ng Andaya. Andaya pagkaparin. Vidania. Easy 2 points. Time left. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Mag-time out kayo kung may iba dito yung committee. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Baggy. 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Andaya. Martos. Martos for 3. Wala. Rebounded by Noto. Sabado. Umaamba pa ng 3. Peñosa. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Baking shot. Rebound at bidak niya. Bidak niya. Pass to Martos. Nabitak pa. Muntikan na. Nakuha ni Andaya. No good. Andaya pa rin. Boy, it's a trouble violation. Sumasayaw-sayaw pa si Red. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Macabitas. Jersey number 5 foul committed by Football Rep. Jersey number 10. Sabado. That's your first personal foul penalty. First shot, boy. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. Andaya. Tupitak niya. Easy 2 points. Baggy. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Peñosa. 15 to shoot. Foul committed by Lucina, jersey number 19. Penalty right. First personal foul, penalty. Good, penalty. Second shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Peña sa 2 points. 25-18. Last 1 minute. Vidanya for 3 points. Vidanya. 50 seconds left. Peñosa, tumira ng 3, bumakot 3 points. Last 30 seconds. Vidanya, tumira ulit ng 3, wala. Rebound by Lotto, shot clock is off, 20 seconds left. Backing. To Lotto, 2 points, 50 seconds left. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds left. 2. Ang kumakain. 0.8 seconds left. Warning. Jersey number 7. 0.8 seconds. Okay. Pinag